Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. I'm Dinya Balion, 39 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children. Graduated in high school.
Okay.
I want to go in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family.
How are you, Miss Dinya?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Did you work abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Malaysia, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5, ma'am.
How many children?
3, ma'am.
How old they were?
14, 9, and 1.
Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell us how?
To feed them, take a bath.
Okay, so what were your main duties with the family when you were in Malaysia?
Pardon, ma'am?
What were your main duties? What were your main duties with the family?
Take care of baby, ma'am.
Okay.
Cleaning the house.
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino, ma'am.
Describe your personal character.
Loyal, honest, and friendly, ma'am.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper?
I finished my contract for 2 years, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.